Good morning, YouTubers, on this fine New Year's Eve day. I'm currently looking at a CR250 HPP exhaust valve setup. So let's go and have a look at my exhaust valve setup. Well, we're supposed to take note of this long bolt here with a kind of pin on the end which goes down into this round valve there. Okay. So, here's my valve. Let's take this bearing off. It's fallen off anyway. There's my valve, and that kind of cutout by my thumb should limit the travel of the valve by that special bolt that I just showed you on the diagram. So let's just check the special bolt. Oh yeah, that's special. Yeah, so that's not doing very much checking of anything, is it? It's going to be one of those jobs. Well, no, actually every job I do here is going to be one of those jobs. So let's get my lathe. And go and lathe one up. 17 pairs of hands would make this job a lot easier. I think we get the gist of that, so I'll just use 2 hands a minute. So we got this. It's going to be a bit on the warm side. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay. I've got a feeling I'm going to have to shorten this one a bit. No, I was wrong. Okay. Well, I got the gist of it. I just got to cut up a longer one now. Practice makes perfect. And all that malarkey. Later then.